Okay, just an update. Nasaag na po. As usual, saag.
Yeah! Dapat ito mo.
Where are we in Sayed? So we're in Sheikh Sayed, pero dili siya dapat ang way pa to IKEA.
Oh, you're the one that I need. Let's just take it slow and just breathe. Loving someone is not easy, you know, but it
By the way, guys, we're going to IKEA. So actually, this IKEA, this is the second IKEA in Dubai, and it is located in Jebel. So the first one, the first one is located in where? Where is it? Dubai Festival City.
Nakato naman ka dito.
Yeah, that was also nice. And then we will just going to check if this new IKEA is also the same with the IKEA in Dubai Festival City.
It's smaller but it's
Okay. And who's look here?
no.
The allergy sa video. So, she told me na dili na ako siya ipakita. Pero ipakita na po na ako siya. Same story gapon. Okay, so I'm with my best friend again, and I just want to greet her. Happy birthday! Bessie!
Belated already.
Nakalimutan ko siyang birthday. Abi na ako, nice February 10. 90 ay siya. So, double celebration today. Double celebration, it's because it's Valentine's Day and it's her
Walay date.
birthday.
Kami ang
Birthday.
dili na uso ang date.
So, siya akong ka-date karon. Ako po dihang ka-date karon. So, we were just going to IKEA, and what are we going to do in IKEA?
Eat lunch.
So, we're going to eat lunch because we missed the, what is that? The salmon steak and with the potato, mashed potato, right? Okay, and then are we going to get inside the IKEA, what do you call that one? I was thinking that it's a mall. So it's just only an IKEA. I was thinking it's just like in the Dubai Festival City that inside the IKEA is located inside the Dubai Festival City. But this time, this new IKEA is only an IKEA, no mall. So, okay, see you later, alligator. Bye. Originally IKEA. After 1 hour, nag 1 hour na lang, wala pa may kitang parking.
Busy.
when you left, you said that I don't deserve you, but I can see that
Kamot na lang, so we're heading
is
now to
what we had.
IKEA.
Oh, you're the one that I need. Let's just take it slow and just breathe. Loving someone is not easy, you know, but it makes us feel alive. So we go with the flow. Just love me harder, have no mercy on me. Just tell me louder if you're loving me. Just love me harder, have no mercy on me. Tell me louder if you're loving me.
So there's a Tim Hortons, there's a Hero. Oh, nice, dati na promotion. My favorite. Very nice. And I think it's not so crowded, unlike the first IKEA in the Dubai Festival City. There are so lots of people there. This time here, it's not so crowded. We're going to the food courts to eat there. Masuri ka daon niya? Suri ka daon niya? Ah, sige. Para pang pangilis. Hi!
Just love me harder.
Naka-blower bitaw ka. Say hi, naka-blower bitaw ka. Naka-blower bitaw siya.
Harder.
Arte? Arte, arte?
Louder. If you're loving me.
So this is the food court, IKEA food court, guys. So, ang lami sa ilaha diri kay ang salmon and unlimited coffee. Unlimited coffee. That's it. Check na.
Sunset.
Nagpadala chocolate sa kawa last week.
Kapato niya. Ang ano nakipagkuhan sa naman yung ginakawa sa hotel.
The food is not quite good, but I almost
At saan nagkape
finished
dito?
it. That coffee. Oh, look at this! Wow, feels really. Then I have to get my spoon, of course the sweet and long because for healthy purpose. This is my bed. That's my bed. This area. Nice. This is my dream office table. Look at this, guys. It's moving. Then you can also turn it off. This is my wish office table. You can adjust. Then there's the mat. Nice. There's a footrest also. And chair. Lampshade. I'm wearing now my comfy shoes, which is the Stephen Curry red shoes, because it's Valentine's Day today, so I'm wearing reds. And I'm wearing also a red shirt. Just chilling here. Big na lang ko. Sa sulod, ani. Muna yung sulod. Muna yung sulod, guys. So, this sa Timbits. Kung sa Dunkin' Donuts, Munchkins. Kung ang Dunkin' Donuts na ay Munchkins, ang Tim Hortons na ay Timbits. From the name Tim. And this one is the...
Nabay Tim Hortons sa Pinas? Wala. Starbucks lang.
Burag na ata.
Wala.
Wala.
Starbucks mo.
Malay mo, dude. Ayaw i-underestimate ang BCG. Ako lang sa BCG.
Sa man na siya.
Itong Bonifacio Global. Itong murag Europe.
Nakaatuman po dito.
So we're done. We're done. I have IKEA bags. Sige na ba? Bananta dito. Bananta lang ka. Guys, pakonsensya guys.
O, di ko ganahan mo ka mag-isa sa mga tao.
Tingnan ako siya na matwig Jollibee.
I don't mind.
Nagpapara kong gallstone. And then,
Wala kay ko ang tampanday.
apple cider lang. Kasi pag mag-apple cider ko, dugab din ko ba. Kapoy.
Pagay ko mag-madinat.
Gusto mo siya magmadinat, gusto mo siya magsilabon, gusto mo siya.
Ay, nabako. Diba? Dali na. Nasaan na ta?
Dili, damak pa niya.
Di pa dahil. Sa sunod pa. Kita ka atog Miracle Garden.
Miracle? Miracle talaga.
Miracle.
Bisaya talaga.
Bisaya. Miracle. Miracle. What's sa manday? Miracle.
Wait, but you cook katong miracle.
Miracle.
Arte. Arte. So bye guys. Good night. Have a good one. Bye.
The floor. Just love me harder. Have no mercy.